Okay. Hi guys, happy wonderful Wednesday. So today is April 1st. Today if we would have had school today, we would have had our 4K mass and we would have done our He's Got the Whole World in His Hands song. So let's open up with that for prayer, okay? So here we go. It's going to be a long one today. So here it goes. He's got the whole world in his hands. 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 He's got the little tiny babies in his hands. He's got the little tiny babies in his hands. He's got the little tiny babies in his hands. He's got the whole world in his hands. He's got the mamas and the papas in his hands. He's got the mamas and the papas in his hands. He's got the mamas and the papas in his hands. He's got the whole world in his hands. He's got you and me, brother, in his hands. He's got you and me, brother, in his hands. He's got you and me, brother, in his hands. He's got the whole world in his hands. He's got you and me, sister, in his hands. He's got you and me, sister. Whoops, sister, in his hands. He's got you and me, sister, in his hands. He's got the whole world in his hands. I'm going to try to invite all the teachers to our Zoom story time tomorrow so we can show them that, because they would have seen it in our mass tomorrow if we would have had school, okay? Making sure that we're reading the emails and class takes. A lot of announcements on there. I'm so sorry, parents. Since today is Wednesday, we will have story time at 2 o'clock to give everyone a chance to go get their lunch and their homework packet. All right, here we go. So we're going to open up with our Heggerty. Here we go. Today's Wednesday. We're going to start with segmenting syllables. So I would say a word, you would copy it, and then you're going to tell me how many syllables you think that word would have. So for example, if my word is pumpkin, how many syllables do you think that word would have? Pumpkin, 2 syllables. The word is chicken. Repeat the word chicken. How many syllables would chicken have? Chicken, 2. Next word, jacket. Repeat the word. How many syllables does jacket have? Jacket, 2 syllables. Next word, paper. How many syllables does paper have? Paper, 2. Last word for this section, garden. How many syllables does garden have? Garden. It has 2 syllables. Now what we're going to do is we are going to add an ending. So the ending we're going to add is EST. The ending you're going to add is EST. When you have those letters together, it's going to sound like est. It's going to sound like est. So if I have my base word to be large and I have my ending to be est, my new word is going to be largest. If I have my base word big, repeat big, and I have my ending est, put it together, and what do we have? Biggest. If I have my base word to be little and my ending to be est, put them together. What's my new word? Littlest. If I have my base word to be small and my ending to be est, put them together. What do we have? Smallest. Last one for this section. If I have tiny for my base word and I have S as my ending, what do I have for my word? Tiniest. Nice job. Kiss your brain. Now what we're going to do is we're going to take our ending out, and our answer is just going to be what our base word is. So, for example, if I have the word larger, okay, repeat the word larger. Now I'm going to take my ER out. When you have ER together, it's going to sound like When you have ER together, it's going to sound like So I'm taking my sound out. And what is your base word that you have left? Large. Now, here we go again. We have the word bigger. Repeat the word bigger. Now you are taking your ER ending out. And what base word do you have? Big. Next word, smaller. Repeat smaller. You're taking your ER ending out. And what do you have for your base word? Small. Now we have heavier. Repeat the word heavier. Take out your ER. What is your base word? Heavy. Last word is the word lighter. Repeat the word lighter. Take out your ER. What is your base word? Light. So, don't forget, just in addition, I forgot to tell people before, picking up homework packets, lunches, and leprechaun traps tomorrow. I have them on a cart right where the homework packet is, so you'll be able to see them. Bye. Have a great day. I miss you.